Make sure to take advantage of WREN's member discounts. Head on over to My Community, and when you get to My Community, click on My Feature, click on Circles. This is going to show you all the circles. Scroll down until you can see and join the WREN member discount. If you've not already joined that, go ahead and join that. And if you notice, there's some great information here. Go to our special landing page and sign up now. So if you go to thinkrealty.com, join a WREN, you can just head on over here, sign up for a free account, and you can start to receive the WREN member discounts. If you click here in this announcements, get your discounts now, you can also see that there is a membership discount WREN PDF that includes all the different areas on the WREN membership and all the discounts that are available to you being part of this membership. So make sure, again, if you haven't already joined, head on over to My Feature, to Circles, and scroll on down to the WREN member discounts and make sure you are part of that circle.